So hello guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to learn about what is SEO. So SEO means search engine optimization, like I told in the previous video. So what does it really mean? So SEO is an area of website development that seeks to improve the way content is ranked by search engines in organic search results. For example, if I am typing here like diamond rings, for example I type here diamond rings and I want to see which websites come up. So let me see. Yeah, so see, so this is the website that is PC Jeweler. That is the website that comes on the first rank. That this website is an SEO website, means this website is search optimized website. And the website which comes on the second page, so let's see the second page website. So now this website, yeah, so no, not Flipkart and Myntra, these are big websites. Let's see, yeah, like websites like suratdiamond.com and zamordiamonds.com. So these websites are coming on the second page, and we all know that 99% of traffic goes to the first page. And this is not only the first page, but this is the first ranked diamond ring. So you can say that 99% of traffic goes to this website. And this website is also a search engine optimized website because it is coming first. So as your website is always on the first, so you will get 99% of traffic, which means that you will start getting sales, and which means that you will start making money. So your business will automatically expand and you will start making thousands and thousands of dollars. So that's why we need SEO. We need SEO to make our business grow, to make our website grow, to make our blog grow. So that's why SEO is needed. Okay guys, so that's all for today, and meet you in the next video.